I'm Lemmy from Yeyeo Botanica. Welcome back. So great to see you all. Thank you for sharing us and coming back. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, we're www.yeyeo, and we're a spiritual and wellness supplier, which is why I do videos about all things spiritual. And I'm a Lemmy. I want to shout out, pew, 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 all my people from Louisiana. Woohoo! Welcome. Thank you for joining us. And today we're going to talk about how to do a foot soak to break problems. So if you're advanced, this video's for you. If you're curious, this video's for you. Or if you've just wondered about different spiritual items, this video's still for you. So let's get started. So when you think about breaking, right? Sometimes people think that doing one thing can break away everything. That isn't always the case. But sometimes we hear about continuously take a spiritual bath, take a spiritual wash, burn a candle. Well, my methodology is always do more than one thing, because more than one thing builds up energy. More than one thing does what? Build up energy. So today I'm going to show you how to do a foot soak, something that you can make. These ingredients are very specific, and if you'd like me to do a supermarket magic, what's in my cabinet that I can do a foot soak with, definitely comment below. But this video is very much about people who are into using herbs, using spiritual items, and are curious about them. So 3 of the items that we're going to go through now, and if you want to watch the more advanced work and all the ingredients to put in this, you can find that at www.yeyeo, our website. So fenugreek is the first item, and fenugreek is very, very good for using for manifestation, to manifest a change. And so when we're doing any kind of work to open our roads and to break, we definitely are about manifesting a change. And so fenugreek is wonderful for protection, for grounding. Again, this is a foot soak, and so where do you put your feet? On the ground, right? It's great for abundance. It's also very, very good for prosperity and money drawing. So fenugreek is one of the first items that we're going to use. The second one is ginger root, another item that grows on the ground, grows below the ground, because you need to be grounded and be able to grow if you feel that you're unblocked, you're cursed, something is impeding your success, right? So ginger is hot and spicy. Why? Because now we want to add more energy to the work that we're doing, and we want to move things forward, right? And if you haven't seen my ginger video, definitely watch that. Also, I like to use ginger because it's very, very good for personal confidence. And when you're doing work, you want to be confident. When it's time to move to the next level in life, you want to be confident. You want to feel victorious. You want to feel like, yeah, I'm going for it. And so ginger also is good for victory. It's good for overcoming. It's good for self-confidence, personal strength, and it's good for actualizing wishes. Actualizing wishes. And then the last thing that we're going to go through today that we're going to use is olive leaf. And so olive leaf is something that I don't really see people use a lot, but it is a beautiful, magical, spiritual, divine herb. And so there are a few herbs that kind of fall in the very high vibration, very spiritual category, and olive leaf is one of them. Olive leaf is for peace. It's for growth. It's for abundance, prosperity, health, stability. I mean, we could be here all day. It's great for beauty, strength, all of these things together. So you think about all these different ingredients coming together to help you to open your roads, to break negativity, and to grow. So this is what it looks like once you've steeped everything. And so I've steeped this in hot water. You can boil it as well. This is the olive leaf, the ginger root, and fenugreek together, right? So you can see what that looks like before you add it to your foot soak or before you pour it out. So now you found out the 3 fundamental items. You're free to just stop with that, but if you really want to get the juicy details, let's see the extended version. So now you found out about some of the main items that is a part of this work. But the more advanced work, how to put these things together, how many days to use it, and some other items that you can use to empower this work, definitely come to www.yeyeo for the instructions, the download, and all the juicy details. And see you next time. Ashe, ashe, ashe.